Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST. It comes equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities include such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, aftermarket bumper and light bar, Rhino back rack and light bar as well, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're in the showroom today, so behind me you can hear the Christmas. I apologize in advance. Of course, we're going to have the storage and cup holders on the bottom, as well as you can access the Bose speaker sound systems as well. It's going to come equipped with your power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with that wooden chrome accent. You're going to have these Westin HDX side steps. Very rugged looking, very cool. Of course, you're going to have the driver's seat, power adjustable lumbar, heated. All right, moving on to the left here, we're going to have our lighting control as well as our 2- and 4-wheel drive. Of course, when we get into the car, it's going to have this brand new animation. It's going to go in the center option as well. Anyways, we can't turn it on, so we're just going to hit the battery. Anyways, moving on. Left side of the steering wheel, we're going to have our cruise control, forward collision alert, as well as our heated steering wheel. And on the right side is our odometer cluster control and our voice recognition. So with the odometer, you can pretty much access everything from your navigation, your Bluetooth connectivity, and all your vehicle information. Can't really access it right now when it's not on. Behind the steering wheel, you're going to have 2 matte black paddle shifters as well. And up onto the infotainment system here. Of course, we're going to have our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa trailering, as well as you can access your front and rear cameras and your 360-degree camera as well. Below, we're going to have our lane keep assist, automatic park assist, rear lift gate controls, and as well as the all window button. Of course, we're going to have trailer tow package with integrated brake controller. We're going to have our dual zone climate control, like I said, heated seats, 2 USB ports on the side, extra storage inside as well. You're going to have the brand new console, wireless charging pad inside with extra USB and AC wall charger. Passenger side, same finish except it's manually adjustable. Both heated, very comfortable. You're going to have that wood and chrome across the door. It's going to go across the dash. Both speakers up top. You're going to have a little storage behind the infotainment system. You can also access your SOS, your OnStar services, universal garage door opener, your rear sliding window, and as well as your powered sunroof. So we're going to have these 20-inch fuel blacked out alloy wheels, of course aftermarket, with these open country all-terrain Toyo tires. Of course, in the back here, we're going to have gator back mud flaps, black Silverado badging with the paint match mirror cap and keyless entry door handles. And once we go in the back here, we're going to have our Rhino back rack as well as our light bar. We'll show you the controls for a second here. Of course, we're going to have our tonneau cover from Rev Industries. It's going to be that rolling cover. We're going to have those CornerStep bumpers with that dual chrome exhaust with your trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under. You're also going to have the multi-flex tailgate. Of course, tons of extra bed tie downs with your spray and bed liner, 2 LED lamps, and an AC wall charger. Very spacious rear.